fellow YouTube viewers. Today I'll be showing you Beepbox. It's an online tool for sketching and sharing instrumental melodies. As you can see below, this is what it says. Alright, I'm going to show you either how to make a beat or a melody today. Most likely a beat. Alright, that was just a sample beat, I believe. Let's make our own Beepbox beat. They have a lot of different waves, bellow presets, distortion presets, pick string, idiophone presets, retro presets. Let's go with the square lead. Sounds cool already. Heck yeah. And you can import, export songs here. File. Alright. Beepbox song number 1. Let's call it Cool Flows. There you go. There, now I have that beat saved on my desktop. Isn't that cool, guys? I'll be coming out with more epic videos like these. Stay tuned until next time.